So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, everybody must be familiar about Spotify here. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we create an account on Spotify. So, to do that, firstly go to your Spotify app. You can easily find this on Play Store or App Store. And after opening your app, just click on sign up for free and just click the email you want to work with and click on next. Due to the strict guidelines of Spotify, we aren't being able to record the whole process, but basically the process is choosing your password and email as well as username and the date of birth and just click on sign up. Now choose the music you are interested in. I'm going for Sophie, Ed Sheeran, Sam Smith, anything you like, and click on done and click on start listening. Now here you can see your Spotify account has been created. The profile is named Usagi-sama. So that's it guys. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.